Welcome back, guys. Real quick one for you today. We're going to be talking about speed ramping. So speed ramping is a super easy and super effective way to stylize fast action with big movements. So we're going to start by dragging your clip onto the timeline. Next up, right click that clip and go down to Show Clip Keyframes and change that from opacity to time remapping. So what that does is changes the line that goes across your clip from controlling the opacity of the clip to the speed. So once you've done that, you can drag that line up to speed up the footage or bring it down to slow down your footage. It's as simple as that. But a better way to do this is to take your pen tool and mark the point where you want your motion to slow down. Just pull that marker apart because this is where your ramp's going to take place. Take that line between those two ramps and drop it down to the percentage you want to slow down your footage. Now, a good rule of thumb here is to match the frame rate of your timeline. So for example, I'm working on a 25 frames per second timeline here. The clip I want to slow down is 50 frames a second. So with that in mind, we want to drop that clip to 50%. That way that will give us the smoothest motion. Finally, just mark the point in your clip where you want it to speed back up again. Pull the blue marker apart and raise that line back up to 100%. And that's it. I'll be doing a whole separate video soon all about frame rates, getting really in depth on that, so stay tuned.